The first thing is opening Adobe Photoshop. So in your Start menu, you may have to go to All Programs, select Adobe Photoshop CS6. It may take a while to open, but as soon as it does, you need to then find your file. Go to File, Open, and choose where you saved your photograph. Mine happens to be on the desktop. Yours probably should be somewhere else, like your number drive. Once your photo is open, the first and most important thing to do is to crop it to the correct size. On the left side of the screen, you'll see you have a crop tool. Click that. Then at the top, in the drop-down menu, choose the option that says 4:3. This will give you the correct proportions for our painting canvas. Once you click that, you will then have an option to change the bounding box around your crop. Then you can pull the corners and the sides around to change the way that your image is cropped. Just make sure it has the correct proportions for the cropping. When you are done, the next step will be to change the image to grayscale. Go to Image, Mode, pull your mouse over to the right, and choose Grayscale. When asked if you want to discard the color, say Discard. Now to apply the filter. In your menu at the top, click Filter and select Filter Gallery in the drop-down. Inside of the Filter Gallery, under the Artistic tab at the top, choose the Cut Out Filter. Within the Cut Out Filter, you have some options. On the top slider, Number of Levels, choose a number between 3 and 5. No more than 5 and no less than 3. For edge simplicity, play with the slider until you're happy with how it looks. For edge fidelity, feel free to change that slider as well. When you're happy with what you see, go ahead and click OK. Now we're almost ready to print, but we need to make sure that the photograph will print to the correct size. Go to Image, Image Size. Under Image Size, the second part that says Document Size, change the width to 8. It will automatically change the height to 6. If your image is taller than it is wide, then it would be the opposite. 6 wide and 8 tall. When you have those selected, go ahead and press OK. Now we're ready to print. So at the top, click File, go down at the bottom of the menu, click Print. The first thing you will need to do in the Print dialog box is select the correct printer. It should say Art 2 at the end. So I'm going to choose that one in my drop-down menu. Now, because I have a white background, I need to scroll down in my options so that I can have corner crop marks. This will help to make sure that my white background doesn't blend with the white of the paper and give me troubles when I'm trying to draw my grid. Now I'm done. I've selected all my options. I can go ahead and click Print. Finally, I should save my work. Just in case something happens to my printout, I want to make sure that I could print it again. Choose Save As, select a safe place, like your number drive, that you can put this file so you could always reprint it a second time if you needed to.